Hi guys, welcome to my Rise World. This is my second video today and I'm really excited to do this. And now I'm going to be posting on Mondays and Tuesdays, so I will post tomorrow too. And there's another video coming out now too, and it's a vlog from a long time ago, and it's from my 11th birthday party. And so I'm gonna play Roblox right now. If you can see, I haven't played Roblox, this game, in so long. It's called Fast and Famous, and I have not played it in a long time. I'm not gonna have as many wins as I have on my phone because I haven't played it in a long time, and I only play it on my computer sometimes. So yeah. So right now I'm gonna do it, and right now I'm loading a YouTube video on my phone. So, yeah. Okay. So now I'm gonna go to the screen and I'm gonna go into Fast and Famous and we're gonna do it. So let's go. Okay. So we're gonna get ready to play.
Hey guys, it's Crazy Chad, and today we will be playing Blocks Hunt. So let's do it.
And Chad's doing YouTube
and
too.
Shout
so
out
he's
to
gonna be
my friend,
doing YouTube video.
who's playing Roblox with me, Ruby Michaels.
There's nobody playing Roblox with me today, but it's okay.
AKA Matthew. So the game already started.
I don't want to join it. We're just doing it. A couple of seconds left. So really, I'm just moving around because, as you know, I don't like when there's under 100. And I want to give a shout out to everybody who's here right now. You guys are in my YouTube video. You guys are awesome. You guys don't even know that I'm posting, so if you guys are watching this and you guys are one of those people, you guys are lucky.
Michael's is right here. Jump, Matthew, jump. Jump. No, Matthew, keep jumping. This is Ruby Michaels with the top hat.
I have a new follower, so let me give a shout out to Princess Olivia Phil.
Ruby Michaels has a annoying voice, so you won't hear him talk in this video, but he'll talk in more videos. I'll bring a face reveal for him when we hit 50 subscribers. He says I can't get to 50 subscribers. We can get to 50. So please subscribe. What? I have 3 subscribers actually, Matthew. No, it's not.
If you guys can hear my brother, yep.
Okay, one of them
He's
are my
talking.
sisters. Okay, a new round will begin.
Okay, so now we're in a game, and this is what I do. I do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 until it's over.
Okay.
And you guys know I'm such a mean person, so I don't vote for other people when I'm in a game because I just think it's gonna give me a better chance to win, and that's why I have so many wins. So don't even judge how I do my thing, so because you're mean.
Where's the other secret?
Who say I'm mean?
The other secret
I
is
hate when you
AFK.
can't see people.
Oh no, the other
She's
no, it's not. No.
She's lucky because she gets the first 5 score of the day. Person has 4. Well, I'm just gonna give Princess Olivia 5
So Matthew
because
said
she
you
just
something
follows me. So why not give her 5?
Our main
If you're
priority
following me.
is Matthew.
So now we're gonna do the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 thing.
Are you in the movie Blocks?
4.
Are you in the movie Blocks? You swear? So he's in the movie Zap. So we have to find something.
3.
Oh, I know where you are.
I don't talk as much as Chad though, so that's something good.
You see me, Matthew?
2.
I'm jumping.
I love those eyes. Not here.
Oh, you said you were Zap. Okay, look at Zap.
What is it? Of course, it has to be the boy that I deal with. Five. The boy that I do 5 too. Surprising. In the winner, yay, she's on the leaderboard. And these are all people that I gave 5s. So if I wouldn't have voted for them, they would have sunk to the bottom. So I got that 5. I got that 5. I gave them like
seriously,
5.
I'm gonna ask back.
I gave them all those 5. It's all my fault that I just made them win, 'cause I am awesome. Yeah. Yeah.
You see somebody jumping?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I found
I'm only gonna
somebody.
play 2 games of this, and I'm gonna go to another game, and then play 2 nights of that and 2 nights of every game, because I don't want to waste all my time on one game.
Ah, that's you!
Oh my god!
Where are you? No. No, I see you. I see you. Why did you do that?
Clothing. I cover it up for this.
I
So you guys are gonna be the only ones to see this. Because I don't like seeing it, so then I can get surprised when we start, so I can get all those feelings.
No.
Okay.
No.
I know that you guys know the best outfit. I hope I would like it, and I think you guys will know if I like it.
My sister must.
Who knows?
My sister must be.
Exactly! What is trapeze? Tropics. I don't know what that is. If you guys know what it is, comment.
I want to be a hider.
So
I'm
I can see how stupid I am. Tropics. Tropics.
I've never been a
I'm
hider.
gonna think of this as like
I've only been a hider
proms. So.
I've played this game like a trillion times. I'm always a seeker. Some people like it. Yeah, me too.
You can't have 2 skirts.
I like.
Come on, guys. That's not right.
Oh, I
I'm
see you.
stupid in 2 skirts.
Yeah, I see you. How do you get up there? Shoot.
I'm gonna get a facial mic. I like the hairs here. They're better.
Yes!
Back there.
Oh, you're a. Oh, okay, so
Kind of are.
me and
Just gonna change it so that I'm gonna be a blonde. Because why not?
wait for me.
I change every time, maybe next time I'll do
A bush.
a brownie. A brownie. I need to be a brownie.
Are you the bush right here?
Yeah. Okay, oh, fun.
Jump.
I'm gonna put on some makeup.
Oh, right here.
Dark tropic. I don't even know what that
Okay,
means.
right.
Whatever it is.
So guys, I'm right here.
This is like a light person.
See, I'm right here.
Like, I'm the exact opposite of tropic. I don't even know how to
Final
pronounce it. I just feel like I'm gonna embarrass myself so
I jumped.
hard if I keep saying this word. So you just stop saying it.
Stop.
I
me.
love that. I feel like a really mean person, but her backstory is a lot. So it makes sense why she's so mean.
Okay, guys, we are hiding right now. I'm this bush right here.
I have a lot of life chicken.
And Matthew is the bush that's jumping. I'm trying to tell him he'll get caught by them now.
Cord. I'm not gonna try to look like all happy because if it's like gory, so I'm not gonna like when, but I don't think
No,
I'm
they
gonna
won't
go right now because I don't even know if I'm wearing my stuff right now. So
how do you can zap?
yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that. Oh, don't do anything.
We know the deaf person without all happiness. Yeah.
Stop.
Let's sit down.
That's so bad.
Until the last part. Super excited.
I'm running too.
This person's block 21. What are you doing? Oh, she's on the chair. Oh my god.
Is your health low?
That's all. And on the ground and on the sky. Hey.
Oh. Okay.
Moving when you get up.
I'm a seeker.
Wait, I think
I'm near these two trash cans. One of them.
It's just before the time is up. That's all I care about.
You see me? What am I doing?
Is there supposed to be about fading? Could be on the phone. Idiot.
Where are you? Okay, we have to find where Matthew
You can totally show off. Show off and do a half turn to make it too big. And half turn, focus, then half turn, and then I'm gonna show off all the way back.
is. Okay, guys, I hope you liked that video. Make sure to subscribe and friend me and Ruby Michaels on Roblox. So, bye. Oh yeah, you can't friend Ruby Michaels. Okay, you can friend Ruby Michaels, but he's running out of friend space, so please be cautious, okay? Okay. Stay awesome, and don't forget to subscribe and like. This is gonna be. Okay. Bye, guys. My title for my YouTube video is gonna be "I'm a Trash Can."
Why?
I don't know. Because I'm playing blocks. What? Don't delete me. You're gonna probably delete me and be like, oh. I don't believe that. We're both seekers? No way.
It just
Okay,
took
Matthew.
so long.
No, stop! Stop zapping for the basic stuff. We have to go, like, into the movies. Nobody is at the dots, but the dots are my favorite thing, actually. Oh, they're called blocks. They're based off of dots. Oh, that's what.
Oh, I did it one. That's okay. I didn't even know what it was.
got-
So that makes sense.
What is his name? BB Roblox?
I
99321.
MacBook was kind of glitching, but
Oh, there's one right here. Movie glasses.
sad.
Reading. I am.
It was kind of sad.
Okay. You go in hidden, I'll go in blocks.